Hi everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote, and today I'm going to take you through Scribenote's newest feature, Scribephone. So exactly like it sounds like, you are going to be able to make a phone call directly through the Scribenote website, so www.scribenote.com, or your phone app. And to do this, I'll take you through it. So on the website, as you can see here, on the main page, the same area where you go to press record, we have this toggle. When you click over on the toggle, you get a phone call button. So you're going to press the phone call button, put the number in, and then when you're done putting the phone number in, press the phone call button, and Scribenote will record both sides of the conversation and summarize that in app. Now, one thing to note is that whatever you have as a template selected at the time of is what it will record under. So just make sure you're selecting what you'd like. So I usually use the structured diagnostic discussion. You can also use Scribenote's default callback. And that's as easy as it is.